I'm Mason the Mason with Violent Sons Construction, and in this video I'm going to try and teach you how to lay blocks. Spread the mud, big scoop, big as I can, fill with my trowel, big slap, nose, angle, slide. Big slap, nose, angle, slide. I always like to go backwards when I'm doing a big scoop. I swipe in both sides like that, and I do it on the ground like this, and I'll do the same exact thing every single time. Level on the sides. Clean your mud up, chase all the way down. Pretty good. That corner's touching, fill in the gaps. Slides. Next course.